Can you imagine AI not just predicting but dictating your business success? It's not science fiction, folks. We're talking about the present, where artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses operate, especially in the realm of customer acquisition. AI is the silent yet powerful force behind personalized product recommendations, making your customers feel seen, understood, and valued. It's the brain behind efficient customer support, streamlining processes, and reducing human error. It's the genius driving targeted marketing campaigns, reaching the right people, at the right time, with the right message. And it's the wizard wielding predictive analytics, image and voice recognition, turning raw data into gold mines of insights. The AI revolution in customer acquisition is here, and it's creating a seismic shift in the business landscape. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI and revolutionize your customer acquisition? Have you ever wondered how some online businesses seem to know exactly what you need? Well, the answer lies in the power of personalized recommendations powered by artificial intelligence. Now, let's break it down. Imagine you're shopping online for a book. You've been browsing biographies, but you're not quite sure which one to go for. Then, suddenly a suggestion pops up for a new release in the genre, and it's like they've read your mind. That's artificial intelligence working behind the scenes, analyzing your browsing history and preferences to offer you personalized recommendations. But how does this impact businesses? Well, it's all about enhancing the customer experience. When your customers feel understood and catered to, they're more likely to stick around. It's like having a personal shopper who knows their style inside out, making suggestions they'll love. This not only leads to increased engagement but also boosts revenue. But the magic doesn't stop there. AI goes beyond just knowing what a customer might like. It can predict what they'll need in the future. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of vague predictions, you get precise, data-driven forecasts. This technology is a game changer for businesses. It enables them to anticipate customer needs, tailor their offerings, and build stronger, more meaningful relationships with their customers. So whether you're a small business owner looking to level up your customer engagement, or a major corporation looking to streamline your sales process, AI-powered personalized recommendations are the way to go. With AI, it's like having a personal assistant who knows your customers' needs before they do. Ever wished for a customer support representative that never sleeps? Well, artificial intelligence might just have the answer for you. Imagine a world where your customers are always heard, their queries answered promptly, and their problems solved swiftly. This is the reality that AI chatbots bring to the table. Chatbots, powered by AI, are revolutionizing customer support. They're on duty 24/7, providing immediate responses and solutions, and they never need a coffee break. This consistent, round-the-clock support significantly improves customer satisfaction. After all, who doesn't love instant answers? But it's not just about speed. AI chatbots are also incredibly efficient. They can handle multiple queries at once, freeing up your human team to tackle more complex issues. This symbiotic relationship between man and machine leads to a more streamlined, effective customer support system. And it gets better. As these AI chatbots interact with customers, they learn, adapt, and improve. They can analyze customer behavior and preferences, providing invaluable insights that can help shape your business strategies. In a world where customer retention is key, AI chatbots are your secret weapon. They ensure your customers feel valued, heard, and cared for, fostering a loyal customer base that continues to grow. With AI, your business never sleeps, and your customers are always heard. Are you tired of throwing marketing darts in the dark? Have you ever wished for a roadmap that could guide you to your customers? Well, let me introduce you to the power of artificial intelligence in targeted marketing and predictive analytics. You see, AI is like a crystal ball, but one that's grounded in hard data, not hocus pocus. This smart technology sifts through heaps of data, identifying patterns and trends in customer behavior. It's like having a magnifying glass that can spot the tiniest of details about your customers' preferences, habits, and needs. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they do. With AI, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. AI-powered predictive analytics can anticipate future behavior based on past data, helping you stay one step ahead of your customers and your competition. Now let's talk targeted marketing. In the past, marketing was a game of chance, of hoping that your message would land in front of the right person at the right time. But with AI, it's a different ballgame. AI can segment your audience based on a myriad of factors, from demographics to online behavior, helping you tailor your messaging to resonate with each unique segment. And it doesn't stop there. AI can also evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns in real time, allowing you to tweak and refine your strategy on the fly. No more waiting for quarterly reports or post-mortem analyses. With AI, you get instant feedback, enabling you to pivot quickly and effectively. With AI, your marketing efforts become a precise science, not a guessing game. It's like having a compass that always points towards your customers, guiding you through the dense jungle of the digital marketplace. So why keep throwing darts in the dark when you can illuminate your path with the brilliance of AI? Want to take the risk out of doing business? Let's dive into how artificial intelligence, or AI, can help with that. AI is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. It's a reality that's reshaping how we do business every day. One of the most significant areas where AI is proving its worth is in fraud prevention. By recognizing patterns and anomalies in data, AI can alert businesses to potential fraudulent activities before they become a serious issue. This means less time spent on damage control and more time for you to focus on what really matters: growing your business. But that's not all. AI can also streamline your sales processes. It can analyze customer behavior and preferences, helping your sales team to understand what your customers want before they even know it themselves. This leads to more effective sales strategies, and ultimately, more conversions. And remember, efficiency in your sales process isn't just about making more sales. It's about making the right sales to the right people at the right time. AI can help you do just that, ensuring that every sale contributes to the sustainable growth of your business. So, whether it's minimizing risk through advanced fraud detection, or maximizing opportunities with efficient sales strategies, AI has got you covered. With AI, you can focus on growing your business while it takes care of the risks and processes. Ready to revolutionize your customer acquisition with AI? We've journeyed together through the transformative power of artificial intelligence, exploring how it can supercharge your business. From personalized product recommendations that speak directly to your customers' needs, to efficient customer support through chatbots that are always at their service. We've also delved into the world of targeted marketing campaigns and predictive analytics, enabling you to reach the right customer at the right time with the right message. And let's not forget about fraud prevention and efficient sales processes, ensuring that your business operates smoothly and securely. The benefits of harnessing AI are clear, and the potential is enormous. It's a game changer for businesses looking to improve customer satisfaction, gain a competitive edge, and drive revenue growth. Remember, in the world of AI, the future of your business is literally in your hands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.